guys, so we're gonna go on a hike and I'm gonna take you guys with me. We're dressed really cute, you know, just your local hiker girlies. I love dressing for an occasion. And yeah, we made it. And it's actually so serene, just nature-y. I haven't been in nature in literally months. I feel at home.
It smells like pine. It smells
Yeah,
so fresh.
it smells refreshing. Ooh, I almost fell. It's actually so steep. She went around the other way.
Looks back and forth. Worried.
Did I make the right choice to come down here?
Slow and
Oh boy.
guys, we are currently hiking.
You ready to give up?
No.
All right then, come on, let's go.
We can do it. You gotta just keep.
Oh gosh. You cannot be screaming out here like that.
I know.
Yo, you gotta chill.
My bad. Oh, my poor bag. At least it wasn't me. She walked.
Y'all just missed her almost dying. She literally screamed like somebody was killing her. She wants some pictures, so I'm gonna take some pictures of her real quick. Fix your feet.
Oh, you got my feet in it?
Yeah.
No, don't put my feet in it. Yeah, bring it up a little bit
No,
more.
I promise, like, it looks good. You just need to fix how you stand it.
Okay. Oh, shit.
You're looking good, y'all. Look.
It's giving she thrives in nature.
She really ate. Okay, let's keep going. This is what we're working with right now. Oh, back into the wild we go. Oh, this looks dangerous. Dangerous.
I slowly just walked away.
What the heck? We decided that this would be a really good date for like people that are just starting out dating each other, because like it builds so much trust and like you can see where people's fears are and if they'll, you know, push past them or like quit, because we could have easily quit and just went back and found an easier trail, but we did it. We finally made it down to like an actual level ground where there's no more up or down for a while. And you can hear the water. I'm gonna find it. I'm so glad I wore these shoes and not like my Converse. Oh, so pretty. Ooh.
Found a feather of the wild cuckoo larvae.
Oh, wow.
It's mating season, so we'll probably hear a few. And hopefully we can catch a few eggs.
Ooh.
Let's go. We're hungry.
Ooh. Yuck.
Let's go find them.
Okay.
Bend your knees. Walk.
What are we looking for?
You'll hear a. That's how they coo.
Okay.
It's actually quite different from other birds. It's gonna be really, really easy to spot them.
Okay.
Cool.
Oh, I think we should go up here next. That's pretty.
Yeah.
You're not a fan?
I do this all the time, so let's go.
Oh, okay. This wood is actually so beautiful. Take a look, guys.
I wonder how it.
My God.
Look at the original tree. It fell. And
Whoa.
it cracked. That's crazy. That's literally insane.
It's so pretty. It matches you.
Oh, it does.
I wonder if gnomes live in there.
I wonder. It looks like a little home, doesn't it?
It does.
That's where the fairies rest.
Yeah.
Starting to get real slippery.
Yeah, it's gonna start raining.
Oh, jeez.
We turned around and now we're about to head back to where we came from. Look, we found tables and chairs. We're gonna go see what's over there. We're about to have a snack and chill for a second before we get back on the road.
Maybe it's gonna help the earth.
Oh. Oh.
Is it not right?
I'm just strong.
You got some of my banana.
Did y'all see that?
Go ahead and take a piece.
It's okay, I have the rest of this.
I forgot how much I like banana.
Oh my gosh. It's okay, I have this much left.
You're about to be fucked up. Sorry, baby. Welcome back to another episode of Influences in the Wild. That's actually hilarious. That sounds so fun.
We saw this thing on TikTok. Well, I saw this thing on TikTok and I was telling her that there's a video of this person showing them picking eggs, like chicken eggs, from a tree. And like the vine was like, it went down into the egg like that, and then you just plucked the egg from it, and then the yolk fell out and everything. And I was like,
Is that
what?
the whole thing?
And then they went in the house and cooked it. And it was an egg, y'all. I don't know what we've been eating. What I'm about to keep eating, but... Okay, guys. We finished our snack time, and now we're gonna head back. Can't her have out here. What the hell? What? Lauren? Can't have her out here with ashy lips. My God, Mercury. Mercury. Really? Cat, y'all. It's a little harder going back up. Oh my gosh. That's where we just were. I know. Whoa.
Who's taking a bite of this anyway?
Could you imagine riding a bike up? That sounds like a death mission. The wild cuckoo larvas. The eggs are near.
Mushrooms.
Oh wow. What?
Try one?
No, I'm okay. We're getting near the end, guys. We can see the light at the end of the tunnel. We really ate that up.
No, seriously.
Feeling.
I feel good. I feel refreshed. I feel like I'm really, what's the word? Where you can do something for a long period of time.
Endurance?
I feel like my endurance is already increasing.
Yeah. Like, I'm excited to come back.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's make the last trek. This way or that way?
I don't know which one was easier. I thought this one would be easier after this part.
Yeah.
Can I do this one?
Let's try. Okay guys, that was our little hike in the woods. Hot girls take on nature or whatever. It was fun. Definitely gonna do it again. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.